In today's fast-paced world, having a slow and sluggish PC can hinder productivity and be frustrating. Making your PC faster is essential for improving performance, maximizing efficiency, and getting more done in less time. Here are 5 ways on how to make your PC faster. Number 1. Uninstall unnecessary programs and apps. Over time, your PC may accumulate unnecessary programs and applications that consume system resources and slow down your computer. Uninstalling these programs and apps can free up disk space and improve your PC's performance. Number 2. Clean up your hard drive. A full hard drive can slow down your PC, so it's important to regularly clean up your hard drive. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool on Windows or a third-party tool to remove temporary files, old downloads, and other unnecessary files. Number 3. Disable startup programs. When you start up your PC, many programs and applications automatically run in the background, which can slow down your computer's startup time. Disable startup programs that you don't need to free up system resources and improve startup performance. Number 4. Upgrade your hardware. If your PC is still slow after trying software optimizations, upgrading your hardware can help. For example, adding more RAM or upgrading to an SSD can significantly improve your PC's performance. Number 5. Perform regular maintenance. Regular maintenance, such as running virus scans, updating drivers and software, and defragmenting your hard drive, can help keep your PC running smoothly and prevent performance issues in the long term. Consider setting up a regular maintenance schedule to keep your PC optimized.